Hi all and welcome to another edition of Building the Evidence video report. Yesterday, crude oil inventories showed a bigger than expected drawdown in inventories of almost 5.3 million barrels. WTI crude futures spiked higher, breaking through psychologically important $70 per barrel and ultimately reaching $70.80. Currently, crude oil price is consolidating, trading slightly back below $70. The Australian economic data releases earlier today showed a healthy economy, with the unemployment rate remaining at 5.3% and 44,000 jobs added. Australian dollar was strengthening on the back of better than expected employment data. Aussie dollar currency pair reacted positively to the data, currently trading very close to spot 72 resistance level. The big market moving events for today are reserved for Bank of England and ECB rate decisions. At 12 p.m, Bank of England rate decision and monetary policy statements are due for release. Market expectations are for no change in policy. However, markets will closely watch for an indication of any change in voting patterns. This data could increase volatility in UK equities and also sterling currency crosses. Also today at 12:45 p.m, ECB rate decision will be followed by closely watched ECB press conference at 1:30 p.m. Market expectations are for no change in interest rate levels. However, any indication about the future direction in monetary policy will be closely analyzed during the press conference and ECB's Mario Draghi speech. The data could increase volatility in Eurozone equities, especially DAX and also Euro currency crosses. Now, let's take a look at sterling dollar. Cable appears to be downtrending, currently capped by this falling resistance trend line around psychological level of 1.31. The initial downside is supported at 1.30, nice and round number. Price action appears to be bearish below 1.31, potentially targeting downside support towards 1.30, possibly even 1.2950, even 1.29 even number, which is signified by this rising support trend line and also the cluster of these previous highs and lows. Alternatively, a bullish reaction to what might come out of Bank of England and a breakout above this 1.31 resistance level and the end of day close above that level would appear bullish, potentially opening up the way for the retest of additional upside resistances towards 1.3160 followed by 1.32. Now let's take a look at Euro-Dollar ahead of ECB. Euro-Dollar is consolidating in a sideways fashion. This is a 4-hourly time frame pointing to a major downside support level at 1.16 level. Price action appears to be bullish above that level, potentially opening up the way for the retest of 1.1650, 1.17, even 1.1747, 1.1750 levels, resistance levels to the upside. Alternatively, a confirmed loss and a dip below 1.16 would negate this current intraday bullish outlook, potentially opening up the way for the retest of additional downside supports towards 1.1540. Confirmed loss of that would open up the way for a deeper retracement towards 1.1440 support followed by 1.14 level. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and happy trading.